Today, I'd like to talk to you about reducing cabin fever while we're social distancing. Spend quality time with our families. Get off those iPhones and pull out those board games and card games, right? You could even have kids help with meals and cleanup. This is a great time to teach them how to cook and do their own laundry. FamilyEducation.com, FoodNetwork.com has some really great recipes for kids that they would really enjoy making with you. Google some crafts, activities that you can enjoy, things that you already have around the house. Like there's this really fabulous Play-Doh recipe that I found, and there's a handout for that if you want to see that. But you can look these things up at FamilyEducation.com or other websites. So really utilize your internet. You could also have a family movie night. GoodHousekeeping.com has a list of 28 fun family, kid-friendly movies that you can stream right now on Netflix.